All right, here's this my newest project. It's a Silvertone AM radio and record player combo. It's about 1947, I believe. I think it's a model 7080 or something like that. I just picked it up. It's all dusty, but all in all, it looks pretty good and good condition, you know. Wood should clean up real nice if I want to go ahead and do a the restore on the wood. It'll clean up real easily. It's got a little veneer on its surface here. Can't sand it too much though. It'll can cause to sand right through. And it's got a little hinge there. It just holds it up automatically when you lift it up. Tone arm has a old crystal cartridge. Probably doesn't work too good, if it works at all. It's pretty stuck there. I actually freed this up a little bit here just recently. The platter, so when I got it home, it kind of freed up pretty good. So it spins now. It was stuck completely. That does actually work. I just actually, turned it on. It does play AM. I don't want to play it too much here before I rebuild the chassis with some new caps. What it does play. No, I don't have it plugged in. Okay, plug it in real quick here. Got an old plug here. A little dust cap on the end here. Just covers the wires up. They're all exposed under that paper cap. I'll have to replace that too. That's pretty shot. I've got to see how this functions. I'm not really familiar with this model, how it functions.
Party does this, it happens to manifest itself most
it does,
wildly irresponsible fan fiction.
Download a free app.
The dial string is broken. Tuning it doesn't move, so. That's no problem. I've repaired many of them.
Not September, or were they worried about
that's not too great.
chemistry? I'm sure there's a lot of different ways to think.
Got some kind of a shelf here to hold the record. Looks like you put the record underneath there and hold it on there. And it has a press to reject button here, on and off, but also you press it down, looks like, to reject it. This would come over and fall on the record. I assume it's an automatic turntable. For best results, let's just say here. For best results, replaced with Silvertone 5000 play needle. Sears Roebuck and Company. I'll have to give him a call, see if we got any left. I don't think so. You can see it's just a steel needle. There's the cartridge. Looks like it'll be a fun project. I can turn it over here real quick and show you the underneath, the underside. You have an antenna right here. This is a loop antenna for AM. And you have your chassis. But looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tube AA6 chassis. And that's an old motor. That's really gummed up and full of crud. That looks really stuck. This is this cable. It's like a cable drive or something of some kind here. The platter actually drives this cable. That's what it does. This is the motor. It spins the platter here. This motor spins the platter here. And then the platter actually contacts a wheel above this. Under the platter, there's another wheel that drives and turns this cable. It's like a curved cable, and spins this gear, which turns the mechanisms to make the tone arm move, looks like. So they got a wire off here. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's a cut wire. To see what that is. Oh, it's right here. No, that's not it. That's the antenna. Let's see what that is. Should be able to see the other end of it somewhere. Oh, we'll figure it out. You got the downloaded all the schematics and the information on it. You got how to dial, how to restring the dial string. And I have plenty of that here. Got a bag full of it. I did that in the last project too. It's kind of a pain, but it's, you know, once you do a few of them, it's not hard. You gotta wrap the pulley that you actually turn with your fingers 3.5 turns around drive pulley. Then you go on this pulley, under that pulley, attached to the dial pointer, around the pulley here, then around this disc, which is attached to the adjustable capacitor, which is the tuning plates that adjusts. It has to wrap around there. So when you pull this side of the string here, it turns the whole dial. You know, so it's kind of a tedious thing. You gotta prepare for that. Lots of coffee. They got all the parts listed here, every single capacitor. Gotta use my glasses for them though. I can't read them, so small. And basically, how the underside looks of this. The underside of the chassis here, electrically. The underside, it shows you where every capacitor is, and then it shows exactly how they're positioned underneath there. And you place them one at a time. C7, C13. You can look in the drawing here, and it'll tell you what it is. You know, the resistor, capacitor. Tells you what they are. So that won't be too bad. I'll have to take a break here, I think. Get back to it. Oops. Get back to it tomorrow, maybe. Or maybe tonight. Thanks for watching.